Hello, today we're gonna see how to create a Looker Studio data source. On Looker Studio, a data source is your main entities. It is the bridge between your reports and your platform data. So in order to do this, we will connect to lookerstudio.google.com. This is the home page of Looker. I advise using Google Chrome and using the same Google account on Google Chrome and on Looker Studio. From the home page, you can click Create Data Source. At first, you have the Google connectors. This is the connectors that will link to Google Tools. They're usually free to use. If you scroll down, you have the partner connectors, and they can connect to other platforms than Google, for example, Facebook Ads, Pinterest, Microsoft Ads. For this example, I will select one of my own connectors, so the Facebook Ads from Catchr. You can click on it. It will open a new tab where you can select your account. If you never used a connector before, it will ask you to authorize this connector to access your Google account and to connect your platform so it can fetch the account you manage. Here, I already connected my Facebook Ads account on Catchr, so it is visible here. I will take the Catchr pub account. There can be a few configurations to set depending on the connector. You can always go back here later, so if you do not check anything, you can edit it from a report later. You can click Connect. You can rename your data source here, so as Catchr. And we will wait for Looker Studio to create this data source. It will display the field list. From this data source, you can create a new report here. You can find this new data source in your data sources list on the home page. And if you open a report, you can just add this data source easily. Here it is. If I click on it and click Add, my meta ads Catchr example is here and usable in the report.